Hi, this video is about the Nova TKW turning knee walkers, which when recommended by your doctor is a great alternative to crutches. So the Nova TKWs come in 3 sizes. We had the TKW 12, which has a 300-pound weight capacity and recommended height from 4'11 to 6'2. And then we had the TKW 13 that comes in red, same height range up to 6'2, but has a 400-pound weight capacity. And then we have the 14, which has also a 400-pound weight capacity, but it goes all the way up to users that are 6'8". So now I'm going to go over the great features of the TKWs. So first, the platform. And this is where you're going to rest your injured leg. So the platform is very durable, it's padded, and it's also contoured. And this contour design gives your injured leg much more comfort and keeps it stable. We also have a cutout in the middle, and that relieves the pressure, say, if you have a boot or a cast. So the other feature that I love about this platform is that it's offset. And being offset gives you the optimal stability on your TKW and also mobility. And so being offset gives my scooting leg much more clearance. And so right now I have the platform set up for my injured right leg. So in this position, if I'm looking at the platform, I can read the Nova logo. It's right side up. And so if it is your left leg that is injured, you're going to want to turn the platform around so then it's offset towards your right scooting leg. And this is so easy to do. So you simply have to remove the height adjustment knob, turn the platform around 180 degrees. And this is also where you can adjust the platform to your desired height, and then insert the screw all the way back through and make sure it's nice and tight. The TKW comes with Nova's patented handbrakes. They're so easy to use. So you simply pull up on the lever to control the speed, and then to park the brakes, so your TKW is in a locked parked position, you simply push down on the lever, and now your TKW is parked. And then to release, you simply just pull up. So the TKW is also foldable, and that makes putting it in your car or getting around so much easier. So to fold the TKW handle, you simply pull up on the lever, bring it down, and then you're going to slide the pin out of the bracket. And then now you can take the handle all the way down. And a nice feature I like to show is that you can actually bring it around the platform so it's compact. And now that it's in a folded position, it is much easier for me to pick it up and get it in and out, say, of a car. And then to put the handle back into the position, you bring it back around, and then once again you want to shift that pin and slide it back into the bracket, bring up the lever, and you want to make sure that it's nice and secure. I brought up the beautiful TKW 13. That's the one with a 400-pound weight capacity in gorgeous red to show off our optional accessories. So first we have the basket. It has a handle, and it's also very easy to remove and also attach. And then we've got the drink holder. So imagine scooting around and having your water right here. And the drink holder is very easy to attach. You simply put it around the front tube, and it just clicks into place. And you can adjust it so you can kind of position the cup holder exactly where you want. Also, it has these brackets here to hold different sized drinks. And then lastly, a must is the very comfortable fleece cover for the platform. And this adds not just comfort, but also warmth to your injured leg. It's also removable and washable. All right, those are the great features and accessories of the TKWs. And of course, with all of Nova products, it comes with our care, use, and warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.